Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's vlog. It's gonna be a crazy month. It's August 30th and we're moving end of September. So we have, oh my gosh, we have 30 days. I'm actually shocked. We told our landlords that we're leaving on September 30th, so it's official. They already have somebody else moving into this apartment after us, so we have to be out of here. But it's okay. I am pretty sure that everything is gonna get done on time. So I bought two of my favorite sauces, flavorings to put into my coffee. We have the pumpkin spice and the caramel. I am going to make 2 shots of espresso and mix my caramel in with it. And then I'm going to make my drizzle cold foam situation with the pumpkin spice, just so I have a little bit of both flavors. My little espresso cup broke, so I'm going to just use a bowl to pour my espresso in. I'm going to add a good amount of caramel. I love ice in my coffee. I need to have extra ice. Okay. I never ever in my life thought this day would come. If you guys didn't know, I was obsessed with oat milk for years. Love the taste of it. Still really like the taste of it, but I can't get myself to drink oat milk every single day. But the ingredients are so terrible for you, and I don't know why society, this generation, makes it seem like whole milk is so terrible for your body. Literally has one ingredient in here. It's a whole food. It's by good quality. And I also like warmed up to this. It wasn't like something I changed overnight. Have a little bit of it at a time, and now like I'm super used to it and I feel great. I don't feel as bloated. I don't know, I've just been feeling amazing. So this is definitely a personal choice. Switching back to dairy. So I have my espresso here with the sauce. Pouring that into my, sorry I can't make this all pretty, but I just made that little concoction like this. And then I'm going to make the cold foam real quick. Heavy cream, and I drizzle a ton of pumpkin pie sauce in here as well. I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup. I find myself feeling and getting so much more done during the day when I'm already like ready. So I'm using the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Nude Plus Nude Glow Cream. I love the It Cosmetics foundations, well, CC creams. They have such amazing coverage. NARS sent me their bronzing creams and they are so amazing. This is the Laguna 02 cream bronzer. I have been using this ever since I tried it. It's absolutely amazing and it's so beautiful. I put on a little too much. Oopsies. It's okay, I'll blend this out. So blendable. And I'm also using it with the same brush. Ciate sent a few of their goodies this past week, and I really want to try this Dewy Bronze Glossy Cheek Tint. I love their cream products. I love their highlighting cream highlighter. I just love it. So this is like for your cheeks. It's gonna make you look a little bronze. I don't know how much to use. I'm just gonna go for it. Oh, this is so cute. I thought it was gonna be like really intense, but it's actually like not. Oh, look how cute that is. I don't know if you guys can see that. We're gonna throw on a little bit of concealer, just a tiny amount. This is the Tarte Ultra Creamy Shape Tape concealer. I've been trying this out, but I feel like this formula creases on me. I feel like I still like the original like a lot better. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of the Laura Mercier Secret Under Eye Brightening Powder. A little bit of Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Face Powder just to set that cream bronzer and the foundation. Oh yeah, I'm using the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Gel. I freaking love this stuff. And then also their Real Magnetic Lash Mascara. I'm just using the NARS. This is their Paradise Found bronzer. I hit pan on it. And then the OG MAC Warm Soul Blush. I bought this probably 11 or 12 years ago. I should probably throw this away, but I'm not going to because I heard they like changed up their formula or something and it's never the same. It was Samantha that said this and I was like, shoot, I'm never throwing mine away. NYX Lip Liner in Nude Beige. Absolutely my all-time. This is the only lip liner I wear. Might as well throw away all my other ones. Is this one? I don't know. Oh no, never mind. This is a natural. I knew something was up. This is not nude beige. It's okay. I can make natural work. I can make natural work. And this is pretty much my everyday makeup. Stopped by Sherwin-Williams to pick a paint for our house. I'm leaning more towards cotton white, not so much shell white. I feel like it might be a little too bright. And egg white seems a little too yellow for my liking. How are you supposed to decide?
Serial number isn't either of the ones that pulls up.
I already attached the serial number to the one.
Drywall guys just left, so we're about to go inside the house and see how it's all coming along. Hello everybody, don't mind me, my nose has been sniffly all day and literally have paper towels on my hand. We're at the house and drywall is done fully. Dude, it looks so good. We installed the bathtub. Here we have the baby room. Literally the brightest room in the house. I love this room. It's so cute. I can't wait to decorate it. We are removing the rest of the closet hangers just so we can paint it. We have to remove these racks here. And then the guys, the cleanup crew, they actually like mopped the floor and everything just looks so
Well,
nice.
it's the drywall guys. I think they went like above and beyond.
They were amazing, honestly. Like, they worked so fast. They were so professional. It was a dad and his sons that came out here and they just hooked it up. Did such a good job with this entryway. I don't know if you guys remember how it was before, but literally it just looks so much more seamless. Like,
yeah.
Beautiful entry. I'm so excited. Like, it looks amazing.
I would have placed these a little differently. I would have placed the skylights a little more this way and pushed the drywall out further. See how it angles out slightly? I would have angled it out more.
This first house, we learn everything, and then for our next house, we actually know what we want and what works for us.
We don't really know what to do with this scenario here. We're probably just gonna pop this off here, replace the tile, and then pop it back in and repaint it for now. And then in the future, we might just completely demo this and put a new fireplace right here
To be honest with
in
you,
the center of this
to be honest
wall.
with you, I don't think we're gonna do it. I think once we're settled in, we're gonna be so like comfortable, like we're not gonna want to demo nothing, because this is not like a long-term house, like living situation, you know? But you know what, like I'm kind of old school. I kind of like the idea of like old-looking fireplace, like with a mantle, and then like for Christmas and stuff, like you guys can put like garland here, and then like little stockings. It's gonna be so cute, especially like this winter.
That's the plan.
Oh yeah! And tomorrow, we're picking up our kitchen cabinets, right?
Saturday.
Saturday? Oh shoot, never mind. So right now I'm taping off all our windows and doors because we're about to start painting. And since I'm not going to be painting the house, might as well help prep. So I'm just here looking cute doing it. Just kidding. So I had questions where exactly the kitchen's going to be over on Instagram, and I answered them on Instagram, but I wanted to show you guys like visually. So here we got rid of this wall, this window, because we're doing a floor to ceiling wall pantry for extra storage. We're going to keep our microwave in there, pantry stuff, and then starting here, we have our island. We really wanted to do beautiful custom white oak island, but it's so expensive, and honestly, this is not going to be our forever home. So instead of doing the wood island, which I know it would have been so beautiful, but it's just like out of our budget right now, we're going to do that for our forever home. We're just going to do an island with a countertop, marble quartz countertop, and like the waterfall edge. It's still gonna look really nice, but gas range, cabinets, and then dining room on that side.
Last time you saw me, it was Thursday, and we were at the house prepping for paint. That night, I caught a cold. It hit me so hard, and then the next morning, I had freaking napkins stuffed up my nose. I had freaking a headache. I had abdominal pain and lower back pain from like, it's called round ligament pain, like it's growing pains and like your baby is growing and your uterus is stretching. And I think because I was like having a cold and not feeling the best, like my immunity system was already like, but then like this on top of it, I was in bed literally all day, was feeling nauseous from not being able to eat because like I get so hungry when I'm pregnant, especially now that I'm in my second trimester. I get so hungry and when I don't eat, I get nauseous. I felt so sick. I contacted my midwives. They said to lay low. If I wanted to take some medication, I could since I'm pretty far along, but I decided not to take any medication. I put like a heating pad on my back and pretty much just rested all day. This morning I woke up, my nose is still a little like nasally. As far as like headache wise, growing pains, back pain, I feel amazing, literally like day and night difference. I feel great. I took a shower, I got ready. Anyways, today is Saturday. We're driving all the way down to Seattle. We are going to pick up our kitchen cabinets and bathroom vanities, and I hope I just like it because like I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to designing this house. We're just swinging it. We're literally moving in like 2.5 weeks, if not less. I'm honestly just over it already. Always bringing snacks with me. I have these cheeses. Oh, they're so freaking good. Little something sweet if I'm craving. Sergio really loves these, so grab one for him. I get so hungry so fast. Like 1 minute I will think that I'm not hungry, and then like it will switch so fast and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm starving. I need to eat something right now. We're just stopping by his office right now and he got some snacks for us. But anyways, I'm getting out of this car and let me show you guys our ride to Seattle. Yeah! What's going on, babe?
Go pick up some cabinets for my wife.
All our snacks here. He got me napkins because my nose gets stuffy.
Okay, let's go!
So we're at the warehouse. Sergi thinks that our kitchen is not going to fully fit in this van.
The camera. Doing all the measurements, and we will probably have to do 2 trips.
Which sucks. It's fine. This is already my 3rd snack of the day. Beef jerky. Guys, the plywood is officially installed. Looks so much better. Oh my goodness. It's like the little things when you're remodeling your house, like every little detail gets you excited when something is done. It is Sunday. I have my lemon water here. Massive Stanley cup. Freaking love this thing. Flooring is done. Well, plywood on top of our current flooring is done, and then we're gonna put in flooring, our official flooring, last. Today is Sunday, so we're keeping it pretty low key. My husband's gonna paint our main room. We chose Cotton White by Sherwin-Williams, right? Is it called Sherwin-Williams?
Sure. Yes.
Yeah, it's not like a super white, it's like more of a creamy white, so I really like it. So yeah, we're gonna just paint this massive room. I'm gonna quickly clean up this entire area, get it prepped, and then once my husband begins painting the room, I'm not gonna be in here because I don't wanna breathe in all the chemicals and stuff, it's very strong.
This is a suit.
It protects him from all the
Pretty much
stuff.
protects me from getting paint on me. What it does, it's good for losing weight.
It makes you sweat.
Plastic bag on. It makes you